It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GL. With its chiseled muscle, it might be easy to dismiss its presence as mere swagger, but from behind the wheel, its agility will give you something even more valuable: confidence. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, Airmatic height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, Bluetooth, front heated bucket seats, and automatic transmission. Cars.com reports in the pantheon of full-size SUVs, only a few can truly be considered world-class. That the Mercedes-Benz GL Class SUV is one of them was specifically by design. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,